Hess already has hers in her mouth. It's swimming around. It's in her mouth. See it like that? It's right in here. It's right in here. Yep. And now she's drooling on herself, which really not that good. Oh yes, it's down the hatch. Somebody scream. All right, Sarah Smith-Burke, you're on deck. Well, you're used to it. All right, from 5, 4, 3. Yeah! Somebody scream. Okay, Kim, are you ready?
Come on, Kim!
Pour out the water and more Kim. So refreshing. Did I say somebody scream? Well done. What's that? We have another bald head, ladies and gentlemen. Another bald head. So you two are married? Are you married? You know, it's funny. They always say that married people start to look alike after a while. I think, yes. You need to work on your goatee a little bit, though. Yes, it's not coming in as quite as nicely as his.
Impromptu dare.